Well, morning guys, let me just duck out the rain because it's bloody horrible out here. We'll get into the workshop. Now today's a big day. Today is the day where I empty this place completely out. Let me just turn the camera around. And you can see all the stuff I've been storing in the workshop is now going to be moved out. So this will be a completely empty room in a couple of hours time. And today's a big day because I get to paint the floor. The floor is going to be painted in a garage grey floor paint. And that is going to make this place look pretty epic. That's going to be a really good base and a good start for the workshop. Then we'll get all the memorabilia up, all the stuff that I got from Ian's, all the Ducati signs, the Honda signs, all my trinkets around the walls, all over there. So this place, by the time you see it next, is going to look pretty damn awesome and going to look like a dream workshop. And it's going to be one of those things that's going to be forever evolving. But once I've got all that in here, my tools, by the time you see it next, it's going to look really decent. And then we can get the Honda Hornet Scrambler over from the other workshop. So that's going to come in. And I've got that Triumph T959 to come in. And the Honda Hornet is going to go on to a project of mine. Now, in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be building, over here somewhere, on the floor down there, a homemade bike lift. That's right, homemade, on a budget, bike lift. And I'm going to build one that suits me. So that will be on a video in a few videos time. So that's going to be pretty cool. Whether it works or not, I don't know. We'll find out together. But in the meantime, I've got loads of work to do. Get this place cleared out. So in the next video, when you see this place next, it's going to look pretty damn awesome. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. See you in the next one. Cheers.